Fattet Baitenjan is a layered dish that is creamy, rich and crunchy, a party favorite every single time. You will need some globe eggplants and some small Italian or fairy tale eggplants. To make the meat sauce, blanch tomatoes, then peel and puree in a food processor. Chop onions into a fine dice. Then, in a pot over medium heat, add olive oil and a little bit of ghee, and cook the onions until translucent. Add crushed garlic, and once fragrant, add the meat. Breaking it up, then season with generous amounts of salt, some allspice, a little bit of cinnamon, some paprika for color, and finally black pepper. Add the tomato puree, mix well, then add a couple of bay leaves, cover and cook for about 20 minutes. To prepare the eggplants, trim the top and peel. Cut into round slices, others into 1-inch cubes. Spread on a tray lined with paper towels. Slice the small eggplants in half, add to the tray, and sprinkle with salt. Turn over and salt the other side and mix well. Let rest for 30 minutes to draw moisture out, then pat dry with a cloth. Season with some salt and pepper and deep fry in 1 inch of heated vegetable oil for 2 to 3 minutes until golden brown, 3 to 4 minutes for the small eggplants. Let drain, your meat sauce is ready by now. To make the crunchy bread, cut pita into 1/2-inch squares and fry in the same oil for 1 to 2 minutes. To make the tahini sauce, add tahini and water to a bowl and whisk. Then add salt, a little bit of lemon juice, crushed garlic, and yogurt. Whisk until silky smooth. To plate, add a big dollop of tahini to the plate, add 3 eggplant rounds in the middle, top with some meat sauce. Then crunchy bread, and then drizzle with strands of tahini. Add cubed eggplants on top, then some more meat sauce, and arrange the sliced eggplants on top. Drizzle with tahini, garnish with pomegranate seeds and finely chopped parsley. Last step, fry some pine nuts in olive oil until golden and drizzle on top of the dish. A dish to take pride in, you'll be a hit with your friends, I absolutely guarantee it.